Hey everybody. Today we're going to write equations from word problems. We're also going to fill out our tables. And so the first situation we have today, it says you were visiting Baltimore, MD, and a taxi company charges a flat fee of $3 for using the taxi and 75 cents per mile. And so this was where our equation would go, our slope, rate of change, and y-intercept. And so we were talking about this, and our slope is how much it changes every mile. So I'm going to put 75 cents as our slope because it says 75 cents per mile. And our rate of change is the same thing, 75 cents per mile. And our y-intercept is $3. It's pretty much the way I explain the y-intercept is it's like the beginning fee. And so when the taxi shows up, you pay him $3 and then you pay him 75 cents per mile after that. And so our equation would look like this. It would look like y equals 0.75x because our x goes behind our slope, which is 75 cents per mile, plus $3. And so that takes us to the table. We'll label this x, we'll label this y. And so I want to know at 0 miles, I'm still going to have to pay, when the taxi shows up at the very beginning, I'm going to have to pay him $3. And then 1 mile later, I'm going to add that 75 cents. So it'd be 3.75. So, because that's my rate of change, because it's going to change by 75 cents. And then 2 miles would be 450, I think. I think it's 450. And then for 3 miles would be 5.25. And then for 4 miles would be 6. And so this is how you're going to complete these next slides. Slide 3, 4, 5. Actually, there's 2 of them that are the same. Yeah, you just don't do one of them because they're the same. And so on this one here, there's no y-intercept. There's just a slope. So if you have any questions. And then when you get to these here, they're all we're asking for is what is the y-intercept. And so on this slide here, the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So this is the y-axis, and it crosses right here at -4. And so all you got to write right here is -4. That's it. All right. And so you're going to do those. Once you finish those, I want you to work on your IXLs. Once you have your IXLs done, make sure you put your SMART scores, whatever your score you got. Remember, your goal is 85. And so try to get an 85 or better on those. And then before you get to slide 14, you need to, these are the steps on how to graph. It has step 1, step 2, step 3. Read through these and then see if you could do slide 14. You might not be able to get IXL's slide 14 done, but you might. I don't know how fast you'll go through the others, but that is all we have for you today. Remember, doesn't matter where you come from, dream big dreams.